5 steps to improve call center security. Develop a security plan that outlines security protocols, processes, and controls to ensure that your call center is protected against potential threats. Encrypt data during transmission and storage to ensure that it remains secure and protected from unauthorized access. Provide ongoing training to help agents stay up to date on the latest security threats and best practices for safeguarding customer information. Conduct background checks to identify any red flags that may indicate a risk to call center security. Implement two-factor authentication before granting access to sensitive information. Improving call center security requires a multifaceted approach that involves developing a security plan, employee training, secure technology, limiting access, and ongoing monitoring. Speak to an expert today and find out how outsourcing can help improve call center security for your organization.